Imagine losing your entire life savings to a fruit. Right now, across Malaysia, investment companies are telling you that this spike pungent fruit is the new Bitcoin. They are promising 30%, 40%, even 50% annual return. They say you can buy a tree, sit back, get rich off China's multi-billion-dollar obsession with premium durian. It sounds like a genius hands-free wealth builder, but here is what they hide in fine print. Your money is locked away for 15 years. If a single root fungus hit the soil, your investment goes to zero, and the entire industry is ticking forward a massive oversupply time bomb. So, are these schemes a legitimate golden ticket or just a beautiful thorny trap? Let's look at the math. First, let's be fair. Why is everyone losing their mind over this? It's driven by one thing: China. The Chinese market appetite for premium Malaysian durian like Musang King and Blackthorn isn't just growing, it's exploding. A single premium durian can retail for over 100 USD over there. It's a status symbol. But historically, to make money from this, you needed to buy acres of land, manage farmers, and pray for good weather. You needed $500,000 bucks. Enter modern crowdfunding. Today, these companies tell you, give us just $5,000. We plant the tree, we fly the drone, we export the fruit, and we split the profit. It democratizes agriculture. On paper, it makes total sense. You get the upside of a booming export, zero effort, completely separate from the volatile stock market. But this is where the fairy tale ends and the reality kicks in. Let's talk about the catch. Trap number 1. Illiquidity. A durian tree is not software. It takes 5 to 7 years just to grow a commercial piece of fruit. Because of that, these investment contracts usually lock your money up to 15 years. If you have a medical emergency in year 3, you cannot sell your durian shares. Your cash is stuck in the dirt. Trap number 2, the agricultural role. The brochure talks about smart farming and AI drones, but technology cannot stop a freak flash flood. It cannot stop a brutal drought, and it definitely cannot stop phytophthora, a deadly root rot that can sweep through a plantation and kill thousands of trees in weeks. Dead tree equals zero profit. But trap number 3 is the biggest one: oversupply. Every single ROI projection you see today is based on today's high durian prices. But guess what? Everyone is planting durian right now. Millions of trees are being planted across Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. What happened in 2032 when all those trees mature at the same time? The market gets flooded, prices crash, and your projected 40% return turns into 4%. Now, let's ask the ultimate question. The one question that uncovers every investment risk out there. If a plantation company has a business model that guarantees a 40% annual return, why on earth are they asking you for 5,000 ringgit? If a business is that guaranteed, Maybank or CIMB would happily loan them millions at a standard 5% to 8% interest rate. The company would keep 100% of the remaining profit. Instead, they spend massive amount of money on marketing to raise capital from regular people, and they promise to give away a massive chunk of their future profit. Why? Because banks are not stupid. Banks look at the raw agriculture and say, too risky. We aren't accepting unplanted trees as collateral. So by turning to equity crowdfunding, the company is doing one brilliant thing. They are transferring the risk to you. If plantations fail in year 5, the company doesn't go bankrupt from bank loans. The retail investors just take the loss. You aren't just buying a stake in the farm, you are buying their risk as well. So what's the final verdict? Is it a scam? If a company is fully regulated by the Securities Commission of Malaysia and uses licensed crowdfunding platform, it's likely not a legal scam. They are real businesses. But it is a high-risk venture capital. Do not treat this like a fixed deposit or a safe retirement fund. Treat it like crypto. If you have extra cash that you are completely fine losing or locking away until the late 2030s, it's a fascinating high-reward gamble. But if you need that money safe, Stick to the boring stock market. What about you? Would you bet your cash on the king of fruits? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe for more honest financial breakdown, and I'll see you in the next video.